Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in today's newspaper on Monday. Monday, July the 15th, 2024. Already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8904. Well. 8904. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 15, correction. 15. But it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question 2 is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always one. Here, only one single box. Always a 1. Next question. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? I see here a triple box with the given number 3. It means that those two boxes will be the 1 and the 2. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box here is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. More triple boxes. Let me check. No triple boxes anymore. How about quadruple boxes? I see here one quadruple box in an L shape. And when you see a quadruple box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Okay, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Do we have more quadruple boxes? No quadruple boxes anymore. But then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the first shape, the Z construction. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the S construction. But it's the same shape. Let me draw this here. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. And that box has the same number as this box. Okay. The Z construction, only one. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. We have more T-shapes. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 here. The following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright, we have more. Here another one. There's a lot. This box has the same number as that box. And here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here we have already. Okay, then the following shape. How about the L shape? The L shape. let me draw the L shape here, the upside down. Okay, the L shape. When you see the L shape, this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and 2. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Well, and now. Well. These 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here or there, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left with 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If you place a 3 here or there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left with 3 in this quadra L shape is supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape. It's supposed to be here. These 3 boxes. Surround 1 can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. It's supposed to be here. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape. Supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. Alright. And now. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes. Definitely 2 is connected with that box. Should be so a 2. I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1. Can be 2. Should be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes. Definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Is connected with that box should be so 1 and 5, but we already have a 1 here, so it can be 1 and more. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box should be so 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. Is connected with that box should be so 1 and 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2 or a 3 with a double 2 there, double 3 there. Can be 4, yeah, definitely a 5. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those. Is connected with that box, so 2 and 3. But we already have a 2 here in this T-shaped area, so cannot be 2 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. And 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 and 3, we have 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 1. Then these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We already have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then, let me see. 1 and a 3. Well, this box is connected with that box, so 1 or a 3. Here also 1 and a 3. Is connected with that box, so 1 and 3. But we already have a 1 there, so it can be 1 and more. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 1 is connected with that box, so 1. And this one is also connected with that box, so 1. 1 box left in this Z construction for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes in there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4, yeah, definitely a 5. Then let me see. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. The 3 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be a 2 or a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 3. Yeah. I think this box can be a 3. That box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. I need a 2 here. Yeah, this box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5 as a pair. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 here, so this can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 4 a 5. We have a 4, we have a 5. We have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 5. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 4, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. This box can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Yeah. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, that means that those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I'm stuck here. Let me think. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. This box can be a 3. Oh wait, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for 3 in this area is supposed to be here. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2 is connected with that box, should be so 2 is connected with that box, should be so 2. This can be 2 anymore. Okay, I think this box should be 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 there. So this box give me 3 and more. That box should be a 3. So 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. Well. Let me give this a 2 stars again. And I like this one. Not the 4, not the 3 stars. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.